Hello, my friend. I'm sorry for my late response. I was in workshop for a long time, and right now I'd like to show you some journals in different structures. For example, this one, the cover material is leather. It's PU leather hardcover, and it's casebound. As you can see, the structure is casebound, and with a ribbon bookmark. The pure leather cover, the color, texture, all can be customized, and we can put your brand or put your logo or some words on the cover, no problem. The processing can be gold foil stamping, for example this one, or just embossed logo, or UV processing or other processing. And we can check the inside. The contents, the inner pages contents color can be printed according to your own design file. We are majoring in customizing according to customer's design file and requirements. This is one, and this is the material. The structure is same structure, but the material is different. It is the paper hardcover. The surface is art paper. It's a hardcover, and the inside also can be customized according to your own design file. And it has a glossy film lamination on the cover, and we can print the cover, print the inner pages, and it has a ribbon bookmark, right? So this is a casebound structure, and this one is also a PU leather hardcover. It's a black color, and it's a gold foil. Right? And its structure is same, right? So it's the inner pages. And I'll show you a different structure, that is wear all bending method. It's gold color, light gold color, spiral bending, and with a hardcover, paper hardcover with protection corners. The spiral color can also be customized. We have black or silver or white, other colors. And this paper hardcover is the inner pages. We can add sticker shade. We can add as you can see, the inner pocket to put some files, put some stickers, things like that. And we can make the divider page. It's a divider page with tab, right? And we can make a 1 month one divider with tab. It's May, it's June, right? April, May, June. And the inner pages can also be customized according to your own design file. So this is a beautiful spiral bending planner. And this is the cover. The material is the clothes, the linen cover. And it is one side. And we can also make a box for you also. It's linen, as you can see, linen materials, hardcover, right? It's a single coin bending method. As you can see, it has also has the divider page with tab, right? So we are large, very professional factory in China for many years, so we can support you very well, my friend. Thank you.